Welcome to NBCCD and a new chapter in your life. College is a time of rapid transition and exciting new experiences, and we are thrilled that you chose to embark on that journey with us. Each day, NBCCD makes way for innovation, for curiosity, for expressed passions and deeper learning. You'll be surrounded by some of the most brilliant, creative craftspeople who will aid in your evolution. You're going to be challenged in ways you couldn't believe, and it starts here. You are also going to be frustrated beyond belief. You'll have moments of disappointment, your confidence may waver, there'll be sleepless nights and tears, and maybe moments when you wonder why you ever decided to attend college. And that's okay. As a community, we welcome that conversation because it is normal and expected when you experience a major life transition. That said, not all life's lessons need to be learned the hard way. Strategies for Success is an NBCCD video series that offers us a way to communicate tips and tricks that aim to help you through your college years. Consider it a way of hacking the system. So let's get to it. First on the docket, 5 tips for building a college routine. College is different from high school, and it's different from the workforce. That might seem like an obvious statement, but if you just moved to Fredericton, or you just got an apartment, or you're making new friends, you're trying to find a part-time job, or fighting with student loans, it's easy to look at a few 3-hour classes a week and think you have all the time in the world to work on homework or complete assignments. Hear me when I say that you don't. Being successful in college starts with planning ahead. Having a routine means blocking out chunks of your day for specific tasks. When you set aside time to get something done, there's less chance of procrastination. Here are some tips on how to do that. Number 1, get organized. Personally, I'm an agenda person. I like time blocking my schedule for the day to make sure that I'm fitting in what I need. Maybe you would prefer to use your phone or a calendar, maybe a bullet journal. Whatever your method is, map out your due dates. When you get your syllabus in each class, add it to one central planner. This will help you notice when your classes coincide and when you need to prioritize or plan ahead for certain projects. It's when things get disorganized that chaos ensues, and that's a breeding ground for stress and anxiety. Number 2, schedule time for homework. When I started post-secondary, I remember hearing that for every hour of lecture you receive, you should be putting in an hour outside of class. I laughed at that, and then I cried later when I wasn't prepared for my test or my essay or whatever horrifying academic struggle I was facing. It doesn't have to be like that. If you schedule your free hours through the day to complete your homework or review your learnings, you'll feel more at ease in your studies and therefore your life. So find a workspace that offers minimal distraction and get started. Number 3, plan time to connect. Just because you are a college student does not mean that college is your life. You are more than your studies before you came here, and you will be more than your studies when you leave. Don't lose sight of the people and the things that are important to you. Scheduling regular phone calls home, or weekly Discord chats, or Friday night games nights with friends. These are important breaks that help you recharge and revisit your classes and your studies with new eyes. Number 4, make time to move. Regular exercise is important for multiple reasons. Exercise relieves stress, making you more relaxed and better able to focus on your work. It also allows you a mental break. Continued mental concentration exhausts the brain, causing fatigue, and like any muscle in the body, it requires rest to rejuvenate and keep you functioning at your best. Because of the chemicals that are released in our brain when we're active, exercise speeds up the process of rejuvenation. So it's really the best bang for your buck. To help build exercise into your routine, set a specific time and place every day for your activity. This will help you make it a habit, which makes it harder to break. Number 5, sleep. Please sleep. I expect this to be reiterated over and over through these videos, and for good reason. We live in a culture that values work, 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 and oftentimes we see rest or sleep as lost time or free time that's available for us to utilize if we need it. It isn't. Our brain function relies on sleep. Our body relies on sleep. We can't access creativity without it. Studies have shown that a week of deprived sleep, 5 hours or less a night, completely tanks our mental health levels, with mood scores dropping off by half. That's huge. So we have to stop treating sleep like it's an overindulgence. It is essential. Please sleep. The tip for good sleep is a tale as old as time. Set a sleep schedule through the week. Set a bedtime, set a time to wake up. If you follow that, your body will create an internal clock and your sleep cycle will offer the rejuvenation that helps you succeed. If you hear anything from this video, hear this. Leaving things to the last minute and pulling all-nighters does not produce your best work, and it is not sustainable. Setting a routine early actually offers you more time to relax. It means that you complete more in a set period of time, and therefore you have free time to enjoy. It lets you live a balanced lifestyle, and I encourage you to start it today. If you have any questions about what you've heard in this video, don't hesitate to reach out to me. We have a number of beneficial programs and resources at the college that can help you incorporate these routines into your schedule. See you next time.